Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we cover special operators in Python. This is part 5 of operators in Python series. As we already cover arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators and assignment operators. If you didn't watch that videos till now, please go and watch that videos. I share the link in the I button and also in the description. So let's get started with special operators in Python. Python language offers some special type of operators like entity operators and membership operators. Entity operators have two operators, is and is not. In membership, there is two operators, in and not in. Let's start with entity operators. Entity operators. These are used to check if two values or variables are stored on the same part of memory. There are two operators, is and is not. Is returned true if both variables are the same object. And in is not, it returns true if both variables are not the same object. Refer to the same part of memory location. It is more clear when we do some practical on it. Now define x is equals to 5 underscore y is equals to 6. Now x is y. The result is false. X is not y. The value is true. If we change the value of x to 5, now check the result again. It is true. And is not value is false. If the values are the same, it maybe is operator returns true value. But it is applicable only in integer. Let's see what happens if x is equals to 5.0 and y is equals to 5.0. Now use this expression and get the value. Like this, it is false. So if the values are the same of two variables, maybe is operator returns true only if it is a integer variables. Let's see what happened with the string variables. Like str is equals to xch. Now str underscore is equals to xch. Now str is str underscore. The value is true. We can do this operation with the predefined function of the operator library. For that, import operator. Now use operator dot is underscore x comma y. The value is false, as here the x is equals to this and x is. Now we can again define x and y value. Let's see the result. It is true. We can also implement is not like this. If we take the input from user, then maybe the values are same of two variables, but is operator returns false because it is a user input. Now comes to the membership operators. Membership operators, they are used to test whether the value or variable is found in the sequence like string, list, tuple, dictionary, set. In dictionary, we can only test the presence of key, not the value. Membership operators are two types, in and not in. In operator, return true if the sequence with the specific value is present in the object. In short, value is present in the sequence. Not in operators, return true if the sequence with the specific value is not present in the object. In short, value is not found in the sequence. Note that in the dictionary, we only test the presence of the key, not the value. So let's move to the practical part. Now define list. Now use is in operator like 1 in nums is true. Now 10 in nums, check, it is false. Let's do this on a string like str in a string. It is true. If we add capital S, then it false. We can also use predefined function for this. First import operator library and use operator function operator dot contains function, and first pass the sequence which is nums, then the value we need to check which is 1. Now it's true. Now apply this on 10. It is false. Now move to not in operator. Now check first 1 not in nums, which is false because 1 is present in num list. Now use 12, which is not present in the sequence. Therefore, it returned true. Now use this string and use not in operator. It returned false because str is present. Now add double I and check. Return true because this is not present in this string. We can also use the predefined function like this, not keyword before this expression, and shift press enter to run the cell, which is true. Now we give 2, then it is false. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. And if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.